What is up, everyone? In this video, I'm going to share with you a marketing tactic that if you're not using this, you are literally throwing money in the toilet. And we're starting right now. What is up? My name is Chris. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to take control of your life with an online business, this is the channel for you. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and tick the bell icon next to it so you don't miss anything. Also, before we get started, be sure to check out my #1 recommendation for making money online down in the description, benjisdad.com/guide. All right, so we are in the great state of Louisiana, just really on vacation, but I didn't want to leave you guys hanging without a video, so this is what we're here to talk about today. So this is going to be a pretty quick one, but the one thing I want to talk to you about, or really one question I want to ask you is, do you own your customer? So if you're new to marketing or new to affiliate marketing online, maybe that question may not make a lot of sense to you, but let me go ahead and put it to you this way. So imagine you own a clothing store, and then every time someone comes into that clothing store and makes a purchase and then leaves, you're going to end up making money on that, no doubt. But how much money are you going to end up making on that? Chances are you're only going to make the money from that one individual sale. So what is it that we can do to solve the problem of only getting money off that one sale? Well, if you were to somehow get their contact information, whether it's their email address, phone number, maybe even their mailing address, you can then follow up with them so that you can send them more offers, more coupons, more whatever, and hopefully they will buy from you over and over and over again. That is where the real money is. I'm sure you've heard the old adage that the money is in the list. So if you're building your email list, you can make a good amount of money by growing that email list bigger and bigger. But I'm gonna tell you another one. The fortune is in the follow-up. So as much as I love building Amazon affiliate marketing websites, the big problem with it is after someone comes to your affiliate site and they make that one purchase through your affiliate links and you don't get any information from them, then you are never going to make any more money from that particular prospect. And the reason why it is so important to try to get other type of contact information from our prospects, especially our buyers, is because the chances of someone buying more after they've already made the initial purchase grows exponentially versus someone who's never made a purchase at all. So it is highly important to continue to grab as much contact information from our potential buyers and own that customer for life. That is where the real money is made. So for those of you who are really into affiliate marketing and trying to build your own online businesses, let me ask you, when you have these affiliate programs and you send them over prospects that you have earned, whether it's through free or paid traffic, what happens to those people after they make a purchase? Does that company continue to market to them and you not get any of that money? Or are you able to own that customer and continue to market them with products that you suggest, with products that you think is going to be beneficial to them? That way you can continue making money on the prospects who have already proven to be buyers. If you don't own your customer, chances are that prospect, even if they made a purchase, is gone forever buying from somebody else. Ideally, you would want to get involved with affiliate programs that are going to allow you to own your customer for the lifetime that they are with a particular program. Could you imagine if you had a person who clicked on one of your Amazon links and then you made money off of that particular prospect anytime they made a purchase on Amazon forever? You would no doubt see the amount of money that is possible to be made, because if that person made one purchase off of Amazon, chances are they're going to make many purchases on Amazon, and you can get a cut of that every time they make a purchase. And really the only way to do this is to be sure that you own your customer. If you can join an affiliate program that would give you access to the customers that you bring in, and you can always make a commission off them if they were to decide to purchase right now versus if they were to decide to purchase in a week, in a month, in a year, then you would only have to work so hard to acquire a single customer. So I hope you see the power in what I'm trying to convey to you. Put simply, make sure that you own your customer for the lifetime that they are going to be buyers. In fact, one of my favorite affiliate programs that allows you to own your customer is down in my description. My #1 recommendation for making money online over at benjisdad.com/guide. That's benjisdad.com/guide. The good thing about that particular affiliate program is that after you have signed up a particular person, or they decide to join in order to increase their knowledge about starting an online business or what have you, whether they make a purchase today, whether they make a purchase in a month, in a year, you are still going to get the affiliate income from that particular purchase. There are some bonuses that you will get if you decide to join. So after joining, be sure to shoot me an email and I'll shoot you over the bonuses. In fact, one of the easiest ways to own your customer is to really build your own brand. Have people follow your brand, not particular affiliate programs. If you want a little help in how to do that, be sure to go check out the video right there. It is a personal branding video that shows you a few steps and a few things that really make it important to build your own personal brand. So now I throw it on to you. Do you see the power in owning your own customer for the lifetime that they can ever make a purchase? Be sure to let me know down in the comments below. Also, if you have any questions for me regarding anything related to affiliate marketing or online business, I'm here to really help out each and every one of you as best as I possibly can. I read every comment that is put on the channel and I try my best to respond to each and every one of them. So let me know down in the comments if you have any questions. I really want to help you out. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe and share this video with your friends and family so that others can make money online just like you. And if you want to take control of your life with an online business, be sure to hit that subscribe button that should pop up about right here. Check out the latest video on the channel, which should be about right there. And I will catch you all later. Mosquitoes out here. You're going to end up making money on that, no doubt. So you get some way to contact him. So for, oh gosh.